there, what's up guys, Josh here. In my two previous video we learned how to model this silky chicken from a single vertex, and we also added a rig to it. But we had an issue when we tested the rig, so we shall see how we shall solve that issue using this video, using a simple mode called weight painting mode. For example, if I click on this, let me first hide on these hair particles so that we see what's happening. So for example, if I click on this rig and click on Control Tab to go into pose mode like that, if I click on this bone here, which should only affect the upper beak, by clicking on RX, you see it's even affecting the eyes. Meaning that Blender automatically attached some vertices on the eye to be controlled by this bone. We shall sort out that today, so stay tuned till the end guys. You can also test on this. You see how it's really deforming on this mesh in a very awkward way. Let's also see some here on the bottom, how it's really deforming this mesh. If I click on GZ, hey, it's really deforming it in a bad way. So we shall see how to solve this using weight paint mode. So I'll click on A for all and Alt R, Alt R, Alt G and Alt S to go to its initial scale, movement and rotation. So if I go back to object mode, how I will do this, I first click on the rig like this, and then shift click on the mesh like that, and click on Control Tab so that it gives you this menu, and we go to weight paint like that, and we have a blue bird like this. So I will also show you a weighting color code, meaning that when it's 0, there's no, I can say there's 0. If we click on, maybe let's click on by clicking on Control Tab and click on maybe click on this. Okay, so Control Tab, yeah, you see this bone. Okay, and if I check on this color code, you see it's 0. When it's 0, meaning this bone isn't affecting that place. When it's 0, for example, it's 0 here, meaning this bone isn't attached to this place. So when it's 1, for example, the top part there, it means that this bone has been given this vertex there at the top has been given 100% attachment to this bone. So we shall see how we shall work on that. So okay, so we shall start from this bone. This one is for the neck. We want it to affect almost all these parts of the head, so I'll just make sure that the weight is 1. When the weight is 0, it means that it will remove the weight like this. You see it's removing it and making it blue. But when it's 1, it's attaching one weight, or I can say full weight on that place. You can see it's coloring red, meaning it's attaching full weight on that. So I'll go ahead and just color by dragging this brush like that, and like that, and I think that's enough. You can just go ahead and make sure that it's perfect by just making sure that this top part of the head is attached 1, is given a value of 1 like that, and also make sure that it's not affecting other places. Like you see, this neck bone has been attached to affect this place, which really it shouldn't be like that. So we remove this weight on this part, and we also confirm that it isn't given any weight to any vertex here. Okay, so we have managed to do that. So click on Control and click on this one. As you can see, this bone has been attached to affect the eye, so we'll remove the weight on this place. Okay, so I usually advise that you open on this place, click wireframe, so that you see on the vertices which you should be touching when painting. Okay, so now we go ahead and remove. I don't need any weight there. Okay, any weight here, really I don't need. And it's also in mirror, it's mirrored. That's why when I affect on this place, for example, you see if I affect on this place, it's also affecting on that other side. Okay, that's good. Okay, so on this place of the upper beak, I will attach it a value of 1, but on the bottom part of the beak, like this side, I don't really need it to affect any part at the bottom part here, like that, and I think we are okay. Yeah, Control click on this one. We go ahead and do the same. We are just removing the weights on some places where we don't need this bone to affect. yeah, by making sure that the weight is 0. And by the way, you can also change the size of the brush by clicking on F. Yeah, like that. You just click on F. And you can also change on this strength by clicking on Shift F, like that. So currently it's 1, but if we drag it towards the middle there, it moves back to 0, or yeah, like that. So I also don't need this bone to affect this bottom part here. So I'll just remove the weights here, like that, and I think it's okay. I also don't need it to affect this place. And is it, yeah, I think it's okay. This upper part, I don't need any weight there. And we also confirm the other parts of the body, since yeah, like that. So I think we are done with that place. Let's also control click on this one, this bone here, which was really deforming in a bad way, in a very awkward way. We only need this bone to affect the legs, but you see it, Blender automatically attached the vertices here to be affected by this bone. So we also remove this weights here by dragging and removing the weights there. Okay, and I don't know if we are done. Okay, just make sure that there is no weight attached to this place, and a weight of 1% is attached to the leg or to the feet. Yeah, there, like that. And there's also this place, it's happening in an awkward way. I don't really need. Okay, yeah, there's an issue here. So I will also have to remove the mirror, so that I don't know if this one affects. Control tab, this one doesn't affect that place. Control tab on this one, and we need a weight of 1. So let me check on the mirror. There's an issue here, it's affecting this part, and I don't really need that to affect that part also. So I'll disable mirror, yeah, so that whatever we do here, it doesn't do the same on this other leg, yeah, or on this other foot. So I'll just make sure that I remove the weight which this bone is attached to this bone, yeah, by removing it to 0, like this. So in case you have that issue, you make sure that you go to that place and remove the symmetry. Yeah, but in case you need the symmetry, you just go to this place, click on this, and you go to this place written symmetry. Yeah, and this bone should affect 1%. Yeah, it's okay. It's now affecting in almost in a nice way. So again, this is a tutorial, so you just go ahead and do what you prefer. Control tab, and this one is not affecting. We just make sure that it's not affecting the upper part. Yeah, like this place, I don't think it's affecting. So control click on this one. Yeah, there's also an awkward stuff here, so we remove all this weight here on this part of the body by just removing the weight. Yeah, the weights are the ones which are this bone is attached to. So we want this bone to affect only this bottom or this top part of the foot, like that. And I think we are done, guys. So we shall now go back to object mode, like this. Yeah, and we can test our mesh. Yeah, and you can go ahead and really correct on all these by going back to, by first clicking on the bone or on the rig, and then shift click on that. So click on the bone and control tab to go into pose mode. We can test maybe on this one, RX, to see. Yeah, it's okay. What about this one? Is it still affecting the eyes? Yeah, it's affecting the eyes in a very minimal way, not compared to how it was initially. So you can go ahead and remove the weights on the eyes using what we have learned. And what about this one? Yeah, that one is better now. And what about this one here? Is it still affecting it very awkwardly? It's still affecting it, but in a very minimal way, not compared to how it was at first. So go ahead and really correct on that to be smooth. Yeah, you can see that one is very smooth now. So go ahead and correct on that and using what we have learned. Otherwise, guys, thanks for your time, and thanks also for the 500 subscribers. Please do continue subscribing, by the way, and when I reach 1k subscribers, we shall do one for full course on character or cartoon modeling, rigging and animating, and we shall also add some weight painting like this one. Otherwise, thanks for your time. Stay safe guys. Have a nice time.